everybody, today we are going to see about anchoring effect. In this picture you can see the cost of this mug is rupees 150, but when you see this amount you won't be interested in buying this mug. But let us see here the same mug. If I am telling the cost of this mug is 1000 rupees and you are getting a discount so that you are paying only 150 rupees, then what you think? You think it is a super deal of 85%. So you will surely buy this mug. It is called anchoring effect. The anchoring bias discovered by Buskay and Kahneman in 1974 refers to the tendency of individuals to rely heavily on the first piece of information they receive, known as an anchor, when making decisions in uncertain situations. This study found that individuals make limited adjustment from this anchor and the impact of prior knowledge on future decisions. The anchoring effect refers to the phenomenon where an individual relies on the first piece of information encountered as a reference point for making subsequent judgments and decisions. In this example, you can see the cost of this wireless earbud is 4,490 rupees, but they are selling it as a bargain of 999 rupees. They are showing it as deal of the day, that is 78% discount. The anchoring bias is demonstrated when a buyer perceives a discount as a bargaining due to the initial higher price being anchored in their mind. The perception of higher value is also conveyed by the starting price being set at a higher level. So this is the original price and you can see this is the bargain price. Let us see another example. You can see here this Bluetooth headphone is priced at $34, but here after the bargain they are priced at $23.99. That is, they are telling you are saving around 29%. One important point about the anchoring effect is it is very important for the businesses to understand the impact of pricing changes on the perceived quality of their products, as each audience has its own unique perception of price. So when you say you are going to give at a lower price, the perception about your product may change. So you have to be aware when you are using anchor effect. Here is another example of a company, Zoom, which is giving the basic for free, and you can see the Pro, which has all these. The savings is rupees 2,400. Here they are also showing this as the business, 1,600 savings per year. So they are pushing the audience to buy this product, which will give more profit to the company. When this option is given to you, you may go for the business rather than Pro. On seeing this is 13,000 and this is 18,000, but it has only one extra feature added to this. You can see the same in dollars. It is $149.90. The savings is 30. When it comes to business, they are telling it is 199.90, but the savings is $400. When it comes to Zoom United Business, you can see they are telling that you are going to save 15%, the $300. So this is the main thing about anchoring effect.